Hello, I am doing my outside animals. So here's a chicken eating from my rabbit food. There's 2 more chickens. That's all we have, 3 chickens. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And here I have my guinea pig, Squeak. Right, so I only have names for 2 of the chickens, which is, so this one is KFC, that one at the very back, which I can't see him anymore, so he's back there. He's Cluck, and we haven't got a name for the other one. I'm going to have a little run around in the garden and see if I can find the rabbit. I'm wearing my dad's shoes, so there she is. This is Toffee. She's quite shy. And I have some fish. Let's have a little look in the chicken's pen. All the chickens are out, but we can have a little look in their pen. Right, so this is their run for like when we're not here. So yeah, then this used to be a Wendy house, but we've turned into a chicken house. So you've got their beds here, and up there's quite messy food, water, and more food. And that's where we store our food. Hey, he's out now. They're all out now. So that was the chicken's house. We've looked at Squeak's house and Toffee's house where the chickens were before. Let's see our fish. Heel. There's the dogs poking their head through, and Lottie. And if you come round here, you can see the fish. There's koi carps and goldfish in here. And that's basically my animals in the garden. Hope you enjoyed it.